Hi Samir. So this is GoDaddy India, and what I'm going to demonstrate to you is how a single shop can be put. And I'll also show you how we can link everything under one portal. That's not a problem. Easy. Single shop. Single shop. I think this might do the trick. I will have to see. I will have to contact them. I just need to see whether that they do allow databases in this. Okay. So it's about 200 rupees a month for a shop. This is what I have set up. It takes me about 3 hours to set up a shop. This is OpenCart. OpenCart is an open source software, and I have modified. I can go inside the code of this. I have done this before. You can see here in OpenCart, I have gone inside the code of this thing, and a Google map will appear. This I have added. Usually it charges $10 extra, but I can go inside the code and edit it. That's not a problem. But this is what your store looks like. Okay. Now, let me show you what the backend looks like. Once this is set up, you just need an individual to make entries. I've set it up with a login and password, which every shopkeeper will have. If they want to take up the headache, we can train them and they can do it, or you can have one guy, whatever is good business for you. You can have one guy and you can see how good it is. So once you go in the backend, this is it, dashboard. Total orders, total sales, total customers, people online. Fantastic. It's a great software. Categories. Now, camera category. You want this category, you can have it, or you can just delete it. You can go to edit and say, I don't want camera categories anymore. There must be a bin somewhere. I'll find it. But yeah, you can choose your categories. In that category you want, let's say if it's a t-shirt, you can have attributes, small, big, and every single detail about every single product can be changed. So yeah, that's the delete button. I can select this category and I can delete it. I can add a new category and so on and so forth. For a product, I can add a new product. See here, I can say add a new product. I can just go plus, add a new product. I can copy the same product if I want to copy everything and just change the image or just change one thing. And if I want to delete it, I can come here and I can say delete this product or delete 10 products. Now let's say I'm going to show you one product. Let's see one product. The moment you add a product, you must say this product belongs to which category. See, you have to choose a category. You can remove categories by just clicking on this minus sign. You can add categories. You can have information, more data about that product. You can have for search engine optimization, you can have URLs. It's got tons and tons of backend stuff. These are the attributes. So for a computer, processor is an attribute. For clothes, size is an attribute. Color is an attribute. You can choose to have a discount. Okay, you can set a price and you can set a start date for the discount, a last date for the discount, and so on. And for which customers is it? So you can set up for default for everyone. There are lots and lots of stuff, but a simple shopping cart is fairly easy to do in this. If I take you to system, let's say settings. So my store, this is my store, and let's say image. I've got this OpenCart image. I can change that with my own logo. Okay. I can change the image size, cart image size, wish list image size. I can change a lot of things. The customization is incredible in this. It takes probably 3 days to go through this and make sense of it. Um, but I can make a video of this on how to make a simple cart, because all we really need to do is customize products and that's about it. Let me show you other things. Let's say under settings, you have payment gateway somewhere. Payments. Yeah, look at the amount of payment methods available for this system. Most of them are disabled. The only thing enabled is cash on delivery. But you can easily enable free checkout. Yep, that means they don't have to log in, open an account for checkout. You can enable PayPal Express. It will install it for you. It will ask you what your PayPal account is and so on, and it should do it for you. So in this shopping cart, we have used PayPal and cash on delivery only. We haven't used credit card processing, simply because if you start holding credit card information on your end, it becomes a problem. You can enable bank transfer, and you can just give the bank transfer details, bank transfer instructions, bank account, money comes in your bank, you post it. So bank transfer, cash on delivery, standard ones are there. There are things like layouts and banners. Now let me just go back to my site and show you. So if I go to the store, you can see things like these. These are banners, and you can have more pictures in the banners. These are featured products. Okay, and then you have your normal products. If you go to laptops and notebooks, if you go to Mac, there are no Macs here. If I go to monitors, there are only two monitors here. But this is a dummy shopping cart which is set up for you by default. Now, I must have sent you an email before. I customize a lot of this, everything, background, colors. That's quite easy. What I tend to do is I actually go here, and I'm just giving you an example of how I would do it. I go into the, come on, I go into the source code. Like you can see these colors here. Um, I'm just going to repeat. You can see how I change the colors here. So I know that this is actually sitting on. So when I come here, I know this is sitting in line number 484 of this file. So I go to that file and I put this color. I actually hack it and I change the color and I change the style. But without customization, flat. The shop is up in 3 hours, and then you can have one guy. I'll make some training videos on how to set up the backend, how to add the products, how to add this. And this is your shopping cart. There you go, GoDaddy hosting. I think it should work for under 150 a month, and that's one site. So now if you have 50 sites, what do? You can easily have a portal that just goes, and I think I have something like this. I have something educational, but just giving you an idea of how this works. So yeah, you can see this is an education portal, right? Let me get rid of my photo here. Education portal, theory, practical, web project, multimedia product, testing. And then in each one I have different subjects. For each subject I have training assessment. So if this was a shopping portal, what do I have? I have fashion, shoes, food. Under fashion I have 3 shops. And then I can have subcategories of those shops, and each one links to my shop. So if I have 50 customers, I just take 50 black guys and I make this site. This thing took me about 4 or 5 days to make. That's it. This was, of course, for learning. That's where my specialty is. But have a think about it. This is something that can be done pretty easy. Cheers, man. Good fun. Nice talking to you.